Alright guys, got another unboxing for you and girls. And this is a Bluetooth FM transmitter. Basically, here I'll show you. Let me just get this open. Oh, this is not premium packaging like Apple. Just kidding. Oh, this is kind of tough to open. There we go. Nothing else in the box. It's empty. Everything came out. This is the bad boy. So this is a FM transmitter. So basically, it also charges your phone. So you basically put this in your 120 volt or wherever you have the volt charger in your car. You just plug it in, and you connect it to your radio, and then basically connects your phone to the radio without having an aux cable, or just kind of via Bluetooth. And it can charge your phone at the same time too. If you just plug it into this one, you don't have to plug it into this one. So if you just plug any USB into this one, it'll also charge your phone as well. So this FM transmitter has 4 buttons on the sides over here. And let this focus. So this button, the CH button, is your power on, power off button. And then these 3 buttons right here are your volume up, volume down, skip, and previous track, and forward track. And this is your multi-functioning button. This can pause, play, or go hands-free to accept a call. And then at the front here, we have 2 USB ports. The top one's quick charge 3.0. You can also play music via this port. This port guarantees you to charge your phone up to 80% in 30 minutes, but we don't know which phone they got those stats with, so your phone may vary. And the lower one can also, the lower USB port can also charge your phone, but at a lower speed, and it will also play your music. And that's it. Really good product, really highly reviewed. Really recommend that you use this product if you don't want to use an aux cable, or if you don't have Bluetooth in your car. And anything else in the box, you get a joint VicTsing VIP card, 1-year extension warranty. It doesn't come with a 1-year warranty. You have to buy it, apparently. FAQ manual. Nothing else to it. Shows you how to set it up. Oh, this is the manual. User manual. And that's it. Like, comment, subscribe.